Why the Asian fetish is harmful, part 1. To start, the roots of the Asian fetish is in white imperialism, which treats Asians as inherently inferior. The Asian fetish is born of violence, war, and rape. By the way, I cited much of this research from White Sexual Imperialism by Sunny Won. One example of how the Asian fetish developed is during the Philippines revolt against the Spanish Inquisition in the 1800s. Americans offered to help, but the Philippines hesitated because they thought it might result in being colonized by the US. But President William McKinley promised they wouldn't colonize the Philippines. So together, America and the Philippines overthrew Spain. Immediately after this, President McKinley said, hey, we're gonna annex the Philippines, totally going back on his promise. The Filipinos resisted the Americans, thus starting the Philippine-American War, which lasted over a decade and decimated towns and villages. Over 250,000 Filipinos were murdered. It was essentially a genocide. Famine and disease were rampant as Americans destroyed half of the country. As a result of this American-created poverty, a sex industry sprang up to service the military men. They said that they offered women for the price of $1. American soldiers referred to Filipino women as little brown effing machines powered by rice. This was a known saying that was printed on t-shirts as a joke. These Filipino women, when interacting with American soldiers, said that they treated them like a toy, like a pig. They required the women to perform all 3 holes, and that's just one of the reasons why the Asian fetish is harmful.